Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase likes on Instagram. First, optimize your profile. Make sure your profile picture is high quality and easily recognizable. Your bio should clearly state what you do and who you are using relevant keywords. Don't forget to include a strong call to action in your bio link, guiding visitors to your website or another important destination. This foundational step is crucial for attracting new followers and encouraging engagement. Next, focus on creating truly engaging content. Always prioritize high-quality visuals, whether they are photos or videos, to capture attention. Research and use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags to expand your reach beyond your current followers. Finally, write compelling captions that tell a story, ask questions, or prompt viewers to leave comments, fostering a sense of community and encouraging likes. Building a strong community is vital for increasing likes. Actively engage with your audience by responding to every comment and direct message you receive. Seek out opportunities to collaborate with other creators or brands in your niche. This exposes your content to new audiences. Also, don't hesitate to promote your Instagram posts on other social media platforms to drive more traffic and potential likes to your profile. To continuously improve, regularly review your Instagram insights. Pay attention to which posts perform best, what times your audience is most active, and what content resonates most. Use this data to refine your strategy, experimenting with new content formats or posting schedules. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Adapting your approach based on performance data is key to sustained growth and more likes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.